ఇలాగ ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ బిడ్డ ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ అందరికి
My name is Karthik. I am studying in 9th class English medium. These are my group: Rahman, Uday, Mahesh. My project name is Smart Bridge.
Safe journey on bridges. Components required: jumper weights, Arduino Uno board and red board, and also battery with clips, soil moisture, servo motor.
This picture is our project Smart Bridge. In this project, we are using soil moisture sensor to detect the water level. Whenever the water level is increased, the soil moisture sensor will give information to the Arduino board. The Arduino will process and alert the servo motors, and servo motors will lift the bridge. This is project 2. This project 2 safe journey on bridges.
Working process. This is soil moisture, and when soil moisture is linked in water waves, then soil moisture will be give information to Arduino board. After this information, Arduino board will be alert servo motors. Then servo motors will be lift the bridge. This is a working process. Thanks.